WordPress, a sitemap is just going to include all the pages on the website and links to those pages on the website. To create a web page like this, here where it says new and click page, I'm going to name this tutorial sitemap. And then I'm going to save the draft. And then I'm going to use the Divi builder. First section is going to have one row, and it's just going to be an image. Actually, I'll make it a text module. With no text. I'm going to build on the front end. As a bonus, maybe at the end of the video, I'll explain how to create a custom footer like this, or maybe that will be another separate video. Okay, so now we have a section, a row, and the text module within the row. So for the section, I'm going to go into background. Then I'm going to add a background image, and then I can choose any image from the media folder. I'm going to choose maybe this image here. Click OK. Now I want to have this fit. No, not fit. Need to stretch to fill. And then I'm going to change the sizing. Change the height. Height min. On desktop, I'll make it 1000 pixels. 500 pixels. There we go. And then, oh, this is an image, by the way, that I created using Photoshop. This was a stock image originally, and then I used AI to create the plant here, and also the content on the desk. Now I'm going to add another section. This section is just going to be a regular text module. I'm going to have a heading 1, and the heading 1 is just going to be webs, just say OC web design sitemap. Heading 1. I'm going to make this ordered row. I'll go home. I mean an ordered list. Excuse me, an unordered list. Home, about, OC web design, client projects, services, blog, contact us, and also SEO, resources, and information. Before I do anything else, I'm going to save the draft. If you want to read more about sitemaps, Google Search Console has a very good overview. And then I'm going to make everything centered. I'm going to highlight this. I just won't have an unordered list. I'll just make all these centered. Line centered. And then I'm going to just include the link. Home. This will be target is how the link is opened. It can be on this in the same window or in a separate window. I prefer in a new window. Generally, you don't want to direct the user to another page. And then I'm going to click the green button, click Save Draft. I'm going to remove the spacing, just set all of these to 0. Same with the row. For the sizing on the row, I want to make this 100%. Maybe for the min height, I'll adjust it so the footer's at the bottom. Okay. Just increase it a little. There we go. Increase the top padding here. Let's make it 10. Make it 20. Okay, save draft. Okay, for a bonus to edit this is a global footer. Actually, I think I'll just make another separate video on that. So that's the end of this video. Remember to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel.